Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I am now ready, well, halfway ready. I'm just gonna eat and then I'm just gonna change and then I'm gonna go to the stores. I don't drive, so I'm gonna take an Uber to my location, to my destination. I'm planning to hit up Ulta, a couple other stores. I'm gonna see what they have. I don't like going out shopping no more. I mostly just shop online. So this is a spend a day with me vlog, so I hope you guys enjoy. Gonna call my Uber and we're gonna head over there. I'll see you guys over there. If I don't record a lot, I'm so sorry in advance. Tell me why I got so anxious at the stores. So I am now home. I'm gonna give you guys a haul of all the items I bought at the store. I didn't really record as much because it was kind of packed. Like the stores are kind of full and there is a lot of like the workers. They're mostly around the areas because they were like stocking for Valentine's. And I don't know, I feel shy to record. So guys, a haul from Marshalls. I bought 2 items. It was a hair milk product and facial exfoliating duo. I want to get more skincare products, but I have to do my research first. So yeah, Max. I only bought this snail cleansing foam. So I'm gonna try it out. Last but not least, Ulta. $65 here. I know most of it is from like Christmas money. It's not really my money. I spent a gift card. Okay, so I got this mini MAC fix because I heard good things about the big one, like the regular size one. So I kind of just want to try out the small version. $16. That's so crazy. This e.l.f. brow lift because I was gonna get the Benefit eyebrow kit because I really like it, but I feel like the pencil is very fragile, so I don't know if I want to buy it again. But I don't really do my eyebrows too much, so that's why I got this brow lift. Love e.l.f. She is that girl. I also got a waterproof instant lift brow pencil just in case. Power primer grip. I normally get the blue one and I don't know, I kind of want to try this one out. So favorite lipstick for Morphe. That's the shade I always wear. It is called Peanut. I always wear this shade all the time. And I picked up on this one. It's called Jealousy. So let's see if I like this. I felt like I could have bought a little bit more, but like I said, most of my shopping is online. You know, shopping at stores is so hard for me. I was getting anxiety. My eyes were already like turning red. But now that I am home, I am gonna eat some food because I am starving. It's 2 o'clock. Let's go eat something because I am going to the gym today, so. Just gonna get ready to go to the gym right now. I don't know what to wear because I got like really tired for some reason. So I've just been laying down, doing nothing, watching TikTok. But yeah, I'm just gonna change to go to the gym. To visit my boyfriend for an hour after the gym.
Hello.
But I'm gonna go home now because I feel dirty and I have to shower. So I will see you guys back on my home. Now home, and I brought a guest back with me. Okay, ignore him please. I am officially a Stanley girly. I'm so happy. I know it's like the trend or whatever, but this generally is gonna help me drink more water because I bought that one. I bought this one right on Amazon and I've been drinking it. Simple Modern, I think it's called Simple Modern. It's like literally the dupe of this one, and this one's a good brand too. And now I'm a Stanley girly thanks to his sister, so shout out to her. Oh my god. No, I look so funny right now. I can't even talk. Oh my god. Look, this is how I talk right now. Oh my god. I go to bed. That workout really killed me. I feel like super exhausted. I'm just gonna wait for my hair to dry a little bit, but I hope you guys enjoy this week's video, this week's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I do. I don't normally do these type of things, spend money or go out because it's expensive, you know. I just wanted to share with you guys a little bit of what I bought with some of the Christmas money I got. Sometimes, some of my days, it's not always like this. Sometimes I mean, you guys seen, I just chill out at home. Nothing much going on. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope to see you guys here next week or whenever I post. So yeah, thanks for watching. Till next time.